Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, I haven't had it for a while, but price also hasn't really moved. We can see again that the last rally that we've had here again looks very corrective, a very corrective fashion. Nothing too exciting. We rallied into resistance, a lot of overlapping price action, nothing too exciting. However, Doge seems to establish its space again above this ascending trend line. Let's take a look at what that actually means. So first of all, due to the three-wave structure here and the three-wave nature of that rally into the November highs, I count that just as a wave 4 with the wave 5 to come. So I don't have any impulsive price action to the upside at this stage. There is just no impulse. I cannot confirm to you that a low has been established. If I tell you I think so, then it would purely be based on my assumption and what I'd like to have, basically, right? It's not based on any evidence. As you know, analysis is always based on evidence. There is zero evidence that the price is already in. Yes, we haven't broken above last year's low. However, compared to many other coins, Doge hasn't really been able to move away from it in an impulsive move. Yeah. So Matic, for example, created an impulse away from that June 22 low, and so far is holding okay. Yeah. Doge only rallied in 3 waves and has just been moving sideways since then. Hope nobody bought that top here at 15 cents. So since then, however, the price is also not coming down impulsively. That can suggest a couple of things. It could either be, as I have outlined here on the chart, the roadmap, that this is an ending diagonal to the downside. Actually, I need to make that yellow as well. So that we have an ending diagonal in a wave 5 here. And this wave 5 would unfold obviously in 5 waves. And within the subwaves, we have 3-wave structures. That's also why it is so choppy. And that's also why I've labeled here the third wave as an ABC structure. These are patterns typically of low confidence. So I don't necessarily have very high confidence in this diagonal pattern, but as you can see, it might develop some kind of a descending wedge pattern, but it can take time. It would take a break above 9.4 cents, the resistance level, for me to evaluate the structure and to reevaluate the structure and maybe change something. Would it be bullish? Not necessarily. First of all, I would explore a higher B wave. Then I would explore a higher wave 2. The reason is that I haven't got an impulse. Okay, it needs to produce an impulse. If it forms in the next move down a higher low instead of a C wave with a lower low, then we might have a starting point, and I might call that a leading diagonal up and a wave 2 down, and then we could go from there, right? But we're not there yet. It's too early. At the moment, I prefer further downside, even though you can always get corrective rallies. That's just the nature of it. And you need to know your coins. With Doge, we all know that there is some concentrated activity that can influence mass sentiment, and you can get quick changes. Okay, and a lot of these rallies that we've had here were based on, I don't know, the Twitter logo changed, the Twitter logo changed. Yeah, they had a couple of instances here. Can't remember what that was, but I'm sure it was related to, yeah, probably Elon Musk. If we look at a bullish alternative, it would have to be that a wave 2 low bottomed here. That was in June. Is it highly likely? Not until I have a first 1-2 setup. Then we can work with it. At the moment, I just have it on here because it's of course a possibility. Now, another possibility is as well, that would also not imminently bullish, is that because of the 3-wave structure to the upside, the 3-wave structure to the downside, we could get a triangle pattern here, like on the ADA chart, but we are less advanced in the triangle. So this could take time to develop. I'm just highlighting that because whenever you have 3 waves up and 3 waves down, and we are operating in an environment where we could be dealing with a wave 4 still, this is a possibility. But again, I don't have enough waves to confirm a triangle. Usually you would explore other options. I'm just highlighting it because this could become quite a long sideways movement. And due to the move of this rally here, the distance, yeah, all the way up to 16 cents, this could become quite a huge triangle. So you could get quite a lot of movement within that range. Yeah, but We just need more price data, I guess, to confirm that. Until then, I would look for further downside. Short-term corrective rally is always possible. Re-evaluation of the chart needed above 9.4 cents, but it would not be bullish necessarily. Short-term, yes, but it could just be a larger triangle, for example. Yeah, that's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.